So we're going to play version 2 of Tens Are Terrific. And in version 2, you're going to need the number cube. Now, the number cube is the next level of abstraction for kids. Notice how on the dot die, you can easily count 1, 2 dots there that represent 2. Well, the number cube is the symbol or the numeral that represents these 2 dots. So you can see that this is the next level of abstraction when your kids are ready for that. So the object of this game is to be the first player to get 5 tally marks in a row on any one of their numbers. And they're going to do that by taking turns rolling the number cube and then determining how many more they need to get to 10. And we're going to use the 10 frame as our tool here. So I rolled a 6. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counters on my 10 frame. How many more do I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to put a tally mark on 4 because I need 4 more to get to 10. And you can easily see, look how beautifully visual this is. The combination 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, so then my partner rolls. And my partner rolls a 5. And they put their 5 counters on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more do I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they get to put a tally mark on 5. In the beginning, it is really important for young children to manipulate objects like this and actually put their counters on there. Obviously, as they become very comfortable with this, you may not need to put the counters on. They can easily count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces on there. But in the beginning, it is really important for them to actually manipulate those counters. And again, the object is the first person to get 5 tally marks on any one of their numbers is the winner. Fabulous practice for combinations to 10.